Thank you, Fatlum. On the first question, the European Union was very clear on a number of occasions and also in its legal documents that the EU path of Kosovo and Serbia goes through the EU facilitated dialogue. In other words, no progress on the dialogue means no progress on the EU accession process. I think that's very clear. This is captured in a number of documents, number of Council conclusions, conclusions from 2013, 2014 up to 2022, the negotiating framework of Serbia, this year's communication on enlargement and the reports on Kosovo and Serbia. So there it's very clearly set out what the European Union and its member states expect when it comes to accession process and the dialogue. These are two processes. This is actually part of the same process. The dialogue and the accession for Kosovo and Serbia is inevitably linked, inseparably linked. So no progress means no progress on the dialogue, and on delivery of the commitments means no progress on their respective accession paths. And of course, I mean, if there is a progress on one side, then it will be reflected in the accession process of that respective partner.